Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Aluminium James. This is EBM Aluminium window. As you can see, very lovely for your building. You can see this is frameless window. Very lovely design. Frameless window. You can contact us for your project. This is the side view of the project. The front view. Here is the front view. As you can see, work still in progress. Project still under construction. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please like, comment and subscribe. Subscribe and share and let the whole world to see it. This is the front view. Let me show you the back view. Let me show you the back view. You can see this is EBM casement window. You can see very lovely design for your project. Very lovely design. There is the back view. As you can see, there is the back view. Very lovely design. EBM casement window. EBM casement window. You can contact us on 08063098718. You can WhatsApp us on that number as well. 08063098718 for your casement and sliding window, including the frameless window, aluminum roofing, stock coasted roofing, gypsum ceiling, POP ceiling, drywall ceiling. We give you the best and our price is affordable. Thanks for watching.